I'm Caleb Giddings for Taurus USA, and this is the Taurus RPC, our first entry into the PDW market. The RPC comes out of the box with 32 round magazines and is available either in a true pistol format or with this brace from our friends at Strike Industries. But the coolest feature on the RPC isn't something that you can see on the outside of the gun. It's the fact that this gun uses a roller-delayed operating system. Roller-delayed operating systems are preferable to straight blowback systems because they make the gun function more reliably, and the felt recoil is much smoother and easier to manage, meaning you can get really fast follow-up shots with the RPC. And I know that for a fact because I have spent some time on the range with this gun already. Some of the other really cool features on this gun, obviously we've got a full-length rail up here on the top. You can mount optics to this. You could mount an IR to this. You could do an inverted weapon-mounted light up here. You can do lights off to the sides. Whatever you want, you can get on the RPC. Another great feature on the RPC is the fact that the charging handle does not reciprocate. Once this gun is locked and loaded, you can place your hand anywhere around it, and you're not going to chew your hand up with the charging handle. Forward of that, we have 3 M-LOK sections. We have one on each side of the gun, and then there's one down here on the bottom as well, just behind this little forward hand stop. The barrel, of course, is threaded because everything should be threaded after all, and it is threaded at the same pitch as all standard 9mm barrels are threaded. So you can direct mount suppressors, muzzle brakes, whatever you like to the barrel. Back here we have a polymer grip that is compatible with other AR-15 style grips, a 60-degree ambidextrous manual safety. Speaking of being ambidextrous, all of the controls on this gun are ambidextrous, so it is equally friendly to be operated by left-handed or right-handed people. I also really like the flat-faced trigger. I've done a lot of range sessions with this gun, and that flat-faced trigger is really comfortable when you're shooting the gun for extended periods of time. Now finally, if you want to shoot this gun old school style, like Charlie Sheen does in Navy SEALs, or how the SAS used to shoot with their guns pressed out against their slings, we have 3 QD attachment points on here. We have one on the rear of the gun if you wanted to use a single point, or you could use the QD points on the left and the right side of the gun and attach a 2-point sling. The QD attachment points are in the same area of the gun as the rear pick rail, which we would use for attaching the Strike Industries brace that goes with it, or any other aftermarket brace that you may want to put on this gun. The options are nearly limitless. The Taurus RPC has an MSRP of $939.99 without the brace, and with the brace is $1098.99. For more information on this excellent PDW from Taurus USA, visit our website at taurususa.com.